Hello everybody, it's Catherine from my hillside garden. Little bit different of a video today. I got something in the mail. It's something I've been talking about, so I wanted to share opening it up with you. Look what I got in the mail. It is a Presto 23 quart pressure cooker canner, which I am planning to use for pressure cooking. Let's get this open. So I did my research, and how did I do that? Well, I tried to go to the library and see if they had any books on pressure canning, and I felt really bad. My library did not have anything on pressure canning. So I went to YouTube and I've been watching videos. And part of the reason why I chose the Presto pressure canner, if you can't already tell by the box, this is about as big as it can get with me because I'm only 5 feet tall. So I knew that I would want one that I could probably do more than just 7 or 10 jars in. So that's why I chose the 23 quart pressure canner, because you could do 24 half pints, 20 pints, or 7 quarts. And let's get it out of the box and we'll actually see how tall it is. Right now it is sitting on the top of my stove, so bear with me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it down on the dining room chair I just brought in the kitchen, because I don't think I could lift it out of here. Okay, here we go. Now we have it on top of the stove. Let's see if we can get it out of this bag. I'm so excited. I'm really looking forward to beginning to pressure can. At this point, our freezer is so overloaded with soup and broth. There really isn't much room in there at the moment. Here's the bottom of this bag. To put food in it. So I need to do something to get that stuff out of the freezer. Okay, very well packed. This is the lid in here. Okay. So, very well packaged. All right. Oh, look how shiny it is. Wow. Okay. Very shiny. All right. And packed in the top. Okay. I'm assuming I have to, yep, there's the dial and here's the weight. So, there's the dial. And the weight that will go on it. And there's also the rack on the inside. And one of the things that I did buy, look at my hair today. One of the things that I did buy was an extra one of these, because that's the way you stack the jars, one on top of the other, when you're doing a lot of jars at once. And there's the manual, and there's a caution. Do not use pressure canner on an outdoor LP gas burner or gas range over 12,000 BTUs, such as a turkey fryer. These types of heat sources will soften the canner, causing the bottom to warp. If you're using your 23 quart canner on a smooth top range, which is what I have, using the boiling water method of canning for quart jars, consult the range top. The filled canner weight is over 50 pounds. Now I do use a water bath canner on my stovetop with no issues, so I'm not worried about that. I just wanted to give you an idea of how large this pot actually is for me and how close, once the lid is on, how close. There are arrows at the top for you to line it up correctly. And boy, is that tight. There we go. Wow. Okay, that is a tight fit. But now look at how tall this is in comparison to me and how close it is to the microwave. When in the future someday when we have our kitchen redone, I definitely am not putting the microwave over top of the stove. Partly because with this one I've learned that, you know, being short and having the microwave and taking a hot thing out above my head is not a good safety thing, especially as you're getting older and I don't have the strength in my arms. I've had issues with both of my wrists, so we definitely won't be doing that again. But so I'll have to learn how to use this so I can properly open it. And let's see, properly open it and lift the lid away. So see how close that could be? If I'm not careful, it will bump right into it. So it's just something that I'll have to keep in mind as I begin to use this. So thanks for joining me tonight. I'm going to be looking through this manual to make sure that what I've seen on YouTube has been the correct information, and just to get a feel for it. And then hopefully in the next couple days I'm going to get some of that broth out of the freezer and I'm going to be canning it with my new pressure canner. So that's going to be the thing for me this year. I am going to be learning how to pressure can different things, not just vegetables from the garden, but I also want to do some meats and some soups. So I hope you'll join me on this new adventure in pressure canning. Have a great day.